Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Kenworth Camper Truck. This is one of the most exciting camper truck models we've seen, and Kenworth has truly stepped up their game to create a machine that's powerful, comfortable, and packed with features for long-haul travel and off-grid adventures. The 2025 Kenworth Camper Truck is designed for those who love the open road but don't want to sacrifice comfort. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a weekend warrior, or someone looking for a luxury experience on wheels, this truck is built to impress. Let's start with the engine. This beast is powered by a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. That means it's got the power to tow heavy loads and handle rough terrains with ease. The 12-speed automated transmission ensures smooth shifts, making driving this massive truck feel surprisingly easy. One of the biggest concerns for any camper truck owner is fuel efficiency. The 2025 Kenworth Camper Truck features improved aerodynamics and a smart fuel management system that helps you get the most out of every gallon. Expect around 7 to 9 miles per gallon, which is quite good for a truck of this size and capability. Let's talk about the living space because this is where Kenworth has really outdone itself. The camper section is designed with luxury and convenience in mind. It features a fully equipped kitchen with a stove, microwave, refrigerator, and ample storage for all your cooking needs. The dining area doubles as a workspace, making it ideal for those who work remotely. The lounge area is fitted with plush seating, a high-quality entertainment system, and plenty of natural light thanks to large windows that provide breathtaking views of your surroundings. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, comfort is a top priority. The 2025 Kenworth Camper Truck includes a spacious bedroom with a queen-size bed, high-end mattress, and plenty of storage for clothing and gear. Additional sleeping options include a fold-out sofa bed and an overhead bunk, making it suitable for families or small groups. The bathroom is another highlight. It includes a full-size shower, a modern toilet, and a vanity with a mirror and storage. The water system includes a large freshwater tank, efficient gray and black water management, and an on-demand hot water heater, ensuring a comfortable experience no matter where you are. Let's talk about technology. The 2025 Kenworth Camper Truck is loaded with smart features to enhance your travel experience. The control panel allows you to monitor battery levels, water tanks, and climate control all in one place. Solar panels on the roof provide additional power, making off-grid camping easier than ever. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, and a top-of-the-line sound system. Safety is another major focus. Kenworth has included lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control,